over haar vlucht vanuit Syrië. En de veerkracht die zij toonde door met alles wat ze meenam aan bagage en onderneming op te zetten in Nederland, die tot aan het Koninklijk Huis impact heeft gekregen. Mag ik een hartelijk applaus voor Zina? أهلا وسهلا حبيبتي. كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله. We're going to continue in English.
Yes.
How are you? You look amazing.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm working hard. Working hard with your team.
Yeah. Person to do what he like or what she likes. So for me, and personal experience, the freedom I found it here. It's about what I like to work. So about my work, how I start my own business. Because I am from economic background, but now I am doing catering, so I am Syrian chef. So it's big difference between the both of the professions. But I found my happiness in the kitchen.
Beautiful. Zina's kitchen.
Zina's kitchen, yes.
Zina's kitchen. So can you tell us a bit more about your journey from Syria to the Netherlands? I know it's a very long story. You did a TEDx talk about it.
Yes.
But can you have like a smear story about the way you came to the Netherlands?
Yeah. Actually, it's a very difficult trip. So when I left my country because of the war, and I came here to Netherlands as a refugee, of course through the sea by rubber boats. And maybe now I am smiling when I tell you this word by rubber boat, because I think now it's past. But now I am happy that I am safe. And my kids are safe also here in this country. Yeah, it was a very actually difficult and very sad experience.
You still have family in Syria?
Yeah, I still have my parents, my mom and my father. I didn't meet them since 10 years, unfortunately.
So to bring it to the here and now, talking about your catering with a smile on your face and your entrepreneurship. So what does it mean for you to do the work that you do with your catering in the Netherlands?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, applaus. We are here for you. We are so proud of women like you. You are the inspiration for all of us.
Thank you very much.
Are you able to speak now? Or
Yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
This is the part when I speak about my mother. It's hurt me a lot because I really miss her. I don't want you to be sad actually, but
We understand. We understand. And I think she's here with you always. Just to talk a bit more about one of the projects from the kleurrijke top 100 is the photo project Fatima.
Yes.
Fatima Heritage. And we asked several women in the Netherlands to portray a picture of women from their families. And I asked Zina to portray a picture. She chose the picture of her mom, which was beautiful. So you're honoring your mother from the Netherlands.
yeah,
So we're very happy. And
I'm happy.
yes, so talk us a bit through your catering, because you have your food is here.
Yes.
So what can we expect when the first part is done? What are we going to eat? Because you know I'm always
So
hungry.
today today we chose some nice pies, but I think it's a very nice combination between the meatballs, kebab, and also the kebab. It's vegetarian vegan for the people who cannot eat meat or who doesn't like to eat meat. Also we have something with cheese and bread, so it's sambousek. It's very famous in our kitchen. Also there is nice dips with muhammara and mutabal baba ganoush. And there is a lot of drinks there over the bar, so I'm so happy to do it.
Now we're so happy that you're here because it sounds delicious.
It's a big honor for me.
Yes, and for us as well. So a big applause for Zina.